is the Adult Take and Make program for May, so you can call the library and request a kit while supplies last. Your kit is going to have everything you need to make this except for Mod Podge. You will need that. If you don't have any, there's a simple recipe to make your own using school glue. You just take 1 cup of school glue, put that in a jar or other container, add 1/3 cup water, mix that well, and you have homemade Mod Podge. So the first thing that you're going to need to make this project is tissue paper, and you're going to cut that out into small squares. I've already done that for time's sake, but there's many different colors, and you can use all of the tissue paper or just some of the colors, just however you want to do it. So once you have your tissue paper cut out, you're just going to take a little bit of the Mod Podge and apply that to a small section of the jar. And then just start adding your tissue paper. And you can put it wherever you want. It doesn't matter if the paper overlaps. It's just however you want to make it. So you'll just continue to do this and then keep adding Mod Podge and tissue paper until you've gone around the whole jar. Once you have the whole jar finished, you just take another layer of Mod Podge and put that over the top. Let that dry completely and then add your candle. And you have made a stained glass candle holder that will look something similar to this one. I hope you enjoy making the project. If you'd like to see other projects using Mod Podge, we do offer some books here at the library, so you can check those out. And also, we invite you to go to our website, scottpublib.org, to see other programs and activities that we have going on, and you can follow us on Facebook and YouTube.